Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 115 and 116 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولله المشرق والمغرب فأينما تولوا فثم وجه الله إن الله واسع عليم. Circle your lips well. For fatha, open your jaws. Lil. For kasra, every kasra, add E sound. Very clear E sound. And attach with lam. Lillah. Always, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Lillah. And why it is light? Because you find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So there is kasra. So you will make this lafz jalala, this name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala light. Lillah. Hil. This has kasra, give a very light sound, and attach it with lam. And lam has the sukoon. And whenever you find lin umar for any of these letters, lam, noon, ain, mim, ra, with sukoon, you will give medium flow of sound, and that is called tawassut. He'll, don't stop abruptly. He'll give a medium flow of sound. He'll, mash. For fatha, open your jaws. For sheen, give tawashi, give rakhawa, and it is a light sound. Mashri, ri. For kasra, give e sound. Qu, mashriqu. Look, I'm giving time to pronounce sheen. Mashriqu. And qaf is heavy. Circle your lips for dhamma. Well, give tawassut on lam. Well, mim is light. Ghain is heavy. Don't make meme heavy because of ghain. Keep it light. And ghain is heavy. And ghain will get raqawa. And raqawa is a flow of sound. It will go on if the sound should flow. Ri is short. And when you will stop here, you will give imaginary sukoon, and that is a condition of qalqala now. So you are giving qalqala. Maghrib. Wal maghrib. Fa, give hums, and hums is a flow of breaths. Fa, ay. For fatha, open your jaws. For hamza, give a very sharp sound. Practice it. It will give your qira'ah very, very nice touch. Fa'ay, and that is lean whenever you find ya or wow, and you find fatha before these letters, you will give you will pronounce them with lean, and lean is to say any letters softly. So you are giving a very nice fatha. You're giving a time on fatha and attaching it with ya very softly. It is not a. For a, no, it's not a. For fatha, open your jaws and give a nice sufficient time for fatha. Then you attach with ya. Look, I'm giving a nice time for fatha. Whenever you shorten this sound, then it becomes a. It's not a, it's a. Fa'ayna. Na is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Sound 2 for dhamma. Circle your lips. Wow, it is attached with lam. Wallu. Tuwallu. Lu is 2 counts long. Fa, give hums. Whenever you find fa with fatha or with haraka or with sukoon, you are going to give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa. They should, like you are putting your upper 2 teeth on lower lip, and you are giving a full flow of breath. You're giving a full force of breath. Fa. Can you hear my sound? Fa. Thamma, tha. How you pronounce tha? You put upper tip of your tongue under upper two teeth, and put it there, and then you pronounce that. Fatham. And for me, you are giving gunna, and abbreviation of gunna is capital G. Fatham. Ma is short, for fatha is short, but gunna is 2 counts long. Fatham wajh. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. And now this wow is attached with jim, and jim is with sukoon, and jim is among the letters of qalqala. Look, Qutubu jaddin are the 5 letters. Whenever you find with sukoon, you give qalqala. Wajh, wajh, hullah. For dhamma, circle your lips, and you are making lafz jalala heavy over here. Why? Because you find dhamma before it. Whenever you find dhamma or fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you are making it heavy. And how to make it heavy? You just say law, law. This sound should be there to say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name with heaviness. Wajhullah. And you're making it heavy because this is mad'arat lis sakun. Inna Allah wasi'un alim. For Hamza, give a very sharp sound. For Kasra, give E sound. And now it is attached with Noon, and give Gunna. Whenever you find Noon or Meme, letter Noon or Meme with tashdid, you give them Gunna. And what Gunna is, you're keeping sound in your nose for a longer period of time here. Inna Allah. Noon should stay light, and then lafz jalala will be heavy. Why? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you find fatha. Inna Allah. Ha is short. Wa 2 counts long. Si kasra. Give E sound and make this kasra very light. Wa si run. This is izhar. Whenever you find what? Whenever you find huruf halaqi, and before huruf halaqi you find tanween or sukoon, then you make this tanween or sukoon very clear sound. You will not change it, you will not give you will not merge it into any other sound, but you will pronounce it very clearly. This is the rule of izhar. So you are giving a very clear sound of tanween. Wasi'un alim. Ain should be from your throat very clearly. The makhraj of ain is middle of your throat, and this mad arid lisukun. And what are the condition for mad arid lisukun? You give a temporary sukun because of waqf at the end, and when you will find haruf mad before it, you will stretch this mad into 4 haraka long, and that is called mad arid lisukun. وقالوا اتخذ الله ولدا سبحانه بل له ما في السماوات والأرض كل له قانتون. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Qaf is heavy, and this is a very heavy sound here. Qalut. And this lu is not anymore 2 counts long, but because this is attached with the letter coming up, lut. Then lam is directly attached with ta. Lut ta. Ta is short, and it is a very strong sound because this is among shidda letters. Ta is among shidda letters. What shidda letters are? Which shidda letters are? Ajid, qatim, bakat. Yes. وَقَالُوا kho is heavy. And for fatha, open your jaws and give a very short sound because this is not a long vowel. Kho. Who keep the light and keep lafz jalala heavy over here. Why? Because you find fatha before it. The law and heavy sound is law. clear law sound. The law, who is a short sound, and for the ma, open your circle your lips well. Wow, for wow, circle your lips, and for fatha, open your jaws. La, short, and here mad awad. Mad awad is in action now. So you are exchanging this sound of fatha into mad. So you're exchange when you exchange, that is called mad awad. Walada, and that will be 2 counts long. Subhana. For seen, circle your lip. For dhamma, circle your lips. Seen attached with ba. Ba is with sukoon, and ba is among the letter of qalqala. Qutubu jaddin, and whenever qutubu jaddin comes with sukoon, you give them qalqala, and qalqala is when you will use you stop the makhraj, because the ba is a shidda letter. You stop the makhraj, you cut off the makhraj, and then you give a gap. That is that is called qalqala. Subhana. Ha, 2 counts long, and noon is short, and you will give sukoon at the last letter because of the waqf. And why this is not, noon is not long? Yes, because this is not a mad letter. When there is no mad letter, you will not stretch it on your own. You have to have find mad letter to stretch any letter, so that noon will stay short, and it will be attached with ha, because ha will get sukoon because of the waqf. Subhana. Ballahu. Ba is attached with lam. This is idgham without gunna. You're not keeping your sound in your nose here. And ba is attached with lam. Balla. La is short. Who, 2 counts long. Circle your lips very well. Ma. Ma is 2 counts long. Fis. Fi is not here long. Why? Because this fa is attached with sin. Fis. And sin will get sufis, sin will get rukhawa, and there should be a whistle sound, there should be a flow of sound. Fissa, sa, for fatha, open your jaws, and this with fatha, sin is very short. Sa, ma, 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. T is short. Fissamawati wal. Wow is attached with lam, and lam will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Wal ar. Hamza is a very strong sound for fatha. Open your jaws and attach it with ra. Ra will be heavy. Why? Because whenever you will find ra with sukoon, see if there is fatha or dhamma before it, you will make ra heavy. And dad will get the was raqawa and istitala. So there should be a flow of sound here. Well, when you will stop, when you will give the wasl, when you will give a waqf, you will give a raqawa on dad. كل له قانتون. For for dhamma, circle your lips, and this kaf is attached with lam. Kullul, and then this lam is attached with other lam. Kullul, la is short. Who, 2 counts long. Qaf is a heavy letter, and that will be 2 counts long too. Ni is short. Toon, mad arid lisukun will give 4 haraka long sound here. Qanitun. And give tawassut when you will give imaginary sukoon over here. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.